Good evening. Today I'm going to tell you about the problematic portion of this. Okay, reducing balance installments or reducing installment method or return down value method, as well as change of method. Change of method means okay from straight line method to diminishing balance. Okay, now first of all I'll go for the problem and then I'll tell you about the solution. About the solution aspect. Okay, the problem is on 1/4/1999, Sun Limited purchased a plant for rupees 10 lakhs. On 1/10/1999, additional plant was purchased for 5 lakhs. On 1/10/2000, the plant purchased on 1/4/1999 was sold for 4 lakhs. That is the first mission. Okay, on 1/10/2001, on 1/10/2001, a new plant was purchased for rupees 12 lakhs, and the plant purchased on 1/10/1999 was sold for 4 lakhs 20,000. That is the second mission amount. On the same day, depreciation is to be provided at 10% per annum on written down value on 31st March every year. Prepare the plant account for 3 years ended 31st March 2002. That is, we have to go for the second method. This is the problem that we come across, and what is the solution? I solved that problem. I solved that problem, and I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you the procedure what we have to follow for this problem. First of all, I told you that we have to prepare a statement of profit. Okay, then it will be easy for you to go for the account, whatever it may be. Statement of depreciation. In this, you will come across 5 columns. 5 columns. That is date, particulars, okay, and 3 columns for first mission, second mission, and third mission. Like this, okay. When you go for this, automatically you can able to understand, okay, the preparation of statement of depreciation without any loss of time and without any problem. Now, 1/4/1999, cost of plant 10 lakhs. That is the first plant. And 1/10/1999, cost of second plant. That is 5 lakhs. And this 10 lakhs you have to show in the first column, and the 5 lakhs amount you have to show in second column. That is second plant. Okay. 31st March 2000. That is the financial year. It is starting from 1/4/1999 and it ends by 31st March of 2000. So 31st March 2000 less depreciation. You have to calculate 10% on written down value. So 10% on written down value means on the first plant you will come to 1 lakh rupees, and on the second plan and on the second plant you have to calculate for 6 months. For 6 months. That is okay. The second plant it was purchased from October. So when you count, okay, 6 months will come. So you have to calculate 6 months depreciation. So that amount comes to 25,000 rupees. So if you deduct that, okay, you will get 9 lakhs rupees for first plant and 4 lakh 75,000 for second plant on 1/4/2000. Okay, on 1/4/2000, cost of plants are first one is 9 lakhs and second one is 4 lakh 75,000. Next, okay, 1/10/2000. Okay, the first plant was sold. Excuse me. Excuse me. On 1/10/2000, the first plant was sold. So that plant, what was purchased on 1/4/1999, it was up to September, 30th September. So 30th September 2000 less depreciation. Okay, if you take into account, it is also 6 months. So if you calculate 10%, it for 6 months it comes to 45,000. And if you deduct that from 9 lakhs, it comes to 8 lakhs 55,000. It comes to 8 lakhs 55,000. That is nothing but on 110 2000 cost of plant. That is first plant. And on 110 2000 only, the plant was sold for 4 lakhs rupees. So there is a loss of say I mean, sale of loss on sale of plant is 4 lakhs 55,000 for first machinery. With that, the first machinery, the first plant, it came to an end. Now, after that, we have to calculate depreciation for the second one. That is on 31st March 2001, less depreciation. Okay, on written down value, that is on 4 lakhs 75,000, you have to calculate depreciation at 10%, it comes to 47,500. So if you deduct that, the cost of machine on 1/4/2001 is, that is second plant, 4 lakhs 27,500. 4 lakhs 27,500 for second plant. And after 1/4/2001, okay, he purchased a third plant, that is on 1/10/2001. Cost of machine is 12 lakhs. That is the third plant that you will come across. The third plant is 12 lakhs. Next, again on 1/10/2001, okay, the second plant was sold off. So up to 30th September, you have to calculate the depreciation. Okay, 30th September 2001, less depreciation. Here also, you have to take into account only 6 months, only 6 months. Okay, only 6 months. That is from April to April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. So 6 months depreciation only you have to take into account, and that comes to 21,375. And if you deduct that from 4,27,500, if you deduct that, it comes to 4,06,125. That is the cost of the asset, cost of the plant on 1/10/2001. Now, on the same day, on 1/10/2001 only, he sold the second machine, and the sale of second machine is 4,20,000. 4 lakhs 20,000. So here, when you take into account the sale value is more than cost, so you are getting a profit of rupees 13,875 rupees. 13,875 rupees profit for second plant, for sale of second plant. And on the same day, that is on 1/10/2001 only, okay, you have made, oh, sorry, not on 110. Profit on sale of second machine on 1/10/2001 is 13,875. Now we have to go for the calculation of depreciation on the third machine, and the third machine it was purchased on 1/10/2001. So if you take into account the time period, it is also 6 months. So you have to calculate half of the amount of depreciation. So 31st March 2002, depreciation on third plant, it comes to 60,000. If you calculate for 1 year, it comes to 1,20,000, and half of that is 60,000. So if you deduct that, okay, you will get the value of the plant on 1/4/2002, and the value of one plant on 1/4/2002 is 11 lakhs 40,000. This is how we have to prepare the statement in a columnar manner. That is first mission, first plant, second plant, third plant. And here I told you already that we have to give importance for dates. So here all the dates are mentioned here. So with this the statement of depreciation, you can be in a position to prepare the plant account. Now, plant account right from the beginning. Okay, debit credit. You have to prepare the T shape, and debit left side is debit and right side is credit. 1/4 1999 to bank account 10 lakhs rupees, and after that 1/10/1999 to bank account again the This is the second mission, second plant, 5 lakhs, total 15 lakhs on the debit side. Now coming to the credit side, 31st March 2000 by depreciation. The depreciation amount comes to 1 lakh 25,000. How, sir? First plant is 1 lakh rupees and second plant is 25,000, total 1 lakh 25,000. And if you take the balance amount carried down amount is 13 lakh 75,000. Okay, that is to be brought down for the next year. That is 142,000 on the debit side to balance brought down 13 lakh 75,000. Now, after balance brought down, we are going for the credit side. Is first of all, we have to take into account the first mission and the depreciation of the first mission and on what date it was sold and what is the difference that we got, whether we got profit amount or loss amount. All these things we have to take into account. So 30th September 2000 by depreciation 45,000 for 6 months. Next, by bank sale is 4 lakhs and by profit and loss account loss 4 lakhs 55,000. Now, when you are going for account of any plant and machinery, one thing you have to keep in mind is whenever you come across loss on sale of plant or machinery, whatever it may be, it must be shown on the credit side of the asset account. Okay, once again I'm repeating. Whenever you come across loss on sale of any asset, whether it may be plant or whether it may be machinery, whatever it may be, you have to show that on the credit side of the asset account. Okay, by profit and loss account. Okay, so that loss is it comes to 4 lakhs 55,000. And after that, we have to calculate depreciation on the second mission. That is 31st March 2001 by depreciation 47,500. So if you take all these things and if you go for the balancing figure comes to by balance carried down 4,27,500. This will be the brought down balance for the next year. So 1 for 2001 to balance brought down 4,27,500. Next, on 1/10/2001 only, on 1/10/2001 only, okay, he again purchased a new plant, that is the third plant, and the treatment is to bank account, third plant purchase 12 lakhs rupees. Okay, now after this, you have to take into account whether the second plant was there or it was sold. The second plant was also sold on 1/10/2001 only. It was sold. So up to 30th September 2001, you have to calculate the depreciation on the second plant. So 30th, the credit side, 30th September 2001 by depreciation 21,375, by bank 4 lakhs 20,000, and here we got a profit of 13,875. When you come across profit on sale of plant or any asset, it must be shown on the debit side of asset account. When you come across loss, it must be shown on the credit side of asset account, and when you come across profit, it must be shown on the debit side of asset account. So to 1/10/2001 to profit and loss account, profit 13,875. Now if you add all these things, okay, you'll get 16 lakhs 41,375. The total comes to, and here you have to calculate the depreciation on 31st March 2001 on the third plant. So 31st March 2001 by depreciation, it is also for 6 months because it was purchased on 1/10/2001. Okay, 1/10/2001 it was purchased. So you have to calculate for 6 months. So 31st March 2001 by depreciation 60,000, and the balancing figure comes to 11 lakhs 40,000. Okay, and this is the balance on 1/4/2002 on the debit side. This is how we have to go for the written down value. Okay, the problem on written down value method. So Okay, I just told one problem already on fixed deposit, fixed straight line method or fixed percentage method. Now I am telling about the second method, that is on diminishing balance method or written down value method or reducing installment method. So this is the problem that we come across for the second method. Now after this I am going for the change of method. So the next video class